Okay, so we've toured the Arpeggio, and before we leave, I want you to see parking and how that works. So parking is over here. The entrance is over there, and then they have their own private parking garage. It's just for the Arpeggio, and let's walk in it. So take a look in here. There's an enter and an exit, and there are a few guest spaces. I'm looking, and it looks like perhaps about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Looks like about 15 to 17 spaces that are you can just access right straight from here. And then there's the key fob access that's over there. That's how you would enter. And so it's to me it seems like a safe garage, well controlled. Somebody just exited, by the way, and so it was going off over there. So yeah, I like the way this looks. It looks safe. It looks clean. So I think they've got parking well covered. Before we leave too, I just wanted to go back out here because Arpeggio really is in a great location. It's in Victory Park, and man, I just stepped out of the garage, and man, look over there. I've got the American Airlines Center across the street. So get ready to watch the Dallas Mavericks and the Dallas Stars, because you can just walk. You won't need any parking, and you won't have to worry about the crowds because you're just right there, right next to the American Airlines Center. And then right down the street, just pretty much right over there, you've got a row. It's on Victory Park Lane of restaurants and shops. I mean, I'm talking just minutes away. So this is a fantastic location to really enjoy a new city and getting to know other young professionals. This is Grant Bynum from Uptown 101, and this video was made so you can get a great idea of what the Arpeggio is like. Check out our other videos on Uptown 101 to see other attractions and apartments, and sign up for our free service. We have 100% free service where we find the perfect apartment for you. We use live people here in the Dallas area, and we'll find you a great place like this one, and it will fit your timing and your needs and just be smooth and easy to work with, and it's always 100% free. So check us out there at Uptown 101. You can sign up for the free search at uptown101.com/search. And signing off, and talk to you guys soon, and check out the other videos. Bye-bye.